Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
UMLA jong United Democratic Party uba lakamen rumboy ubalong ru menteri katanat kampo iyeng sarkar jala ulong ba United Democratic Party kan jabbon tili gesit na Rilum Khasi ba Jaiñtia haka election syakiyeng dorbar thawan kaban salang house nam arjar arpulai haka je keren bikilat pathai khubur uba lakamen ulong ba Jaiñtia sistem jong ginoyalam ke party hakini kisan snem balaleno kan omlong ka basep ai.
We are fighting the election to win maximum seat possible in Jaiñtia Hills, and not only in Jaiñtia Hills, in Khasi region and also all over the state. So the UDP is here to stay. UDP will be the party who will have the voice for the people, and the party UDP will win more seats in this next election. See, we are trying, every party try to win all the seats. But having said that, we have also to recognize the strength of other party also. But as I said, politics is a work in progress, so we have to work till the date of polling. So we hope that whatever we could mobilize in the last 5 years, whatever voters we could mobilize from here onwards, it will help strengthen the party not only in Jaiñtia Hills, as I said, all over the state. And I hope that the UDP will come back with a more number in the next assembly.